Small and exquisite, it is very easy to use, multifunctional and very light. Also it can use to fill up tires. First time I using it I like it, very easy to charge up, and it charge up fast too. It very powerful and it clean up car easy and fast. This is a equipment that is quite multi-purposed. Not only does it allow you to manually control the strength of the product, which in this case is a YANTU Car Vacuum Cleaner, it allows the ability to be used as an air pump. Very much like a convertible item for every vehicle. Unlike some other vacuums, where you'd have to lug a giant weird looking machine, trying hard not to suck in the wire, this product is different, for it is capable of being much smaller, including being lighter. There isn't a cord to this either. This product is a win-win. I really like this vacuum. I have 2 kids, and they always eat in the car. I can clean the car seat with this vacuum easily since it is cordless and come with different tools. Also, I use it to inflate the basketball, and it works. I really like it so far. It is worth. This multifunctional vacuum cleaner is very easy to use, with great suction power, and it can clean the car very cleanly. With different types of suction heads, every corner can be cleaned very well. It can also pump up the tires and is also equipped with different inflation heads. You can inflate different types of car tires. I like this vacuum cleaner very much and it brings convenience to my life.